Your vehicle may have a large moonroof that opens over the front row to provide fresh air and a great view. Let me explain. There's a sunshade covering your moonroof that helps block out the glare of the sun and keeps the temperature in your vehicle more comfortable. You can open it without opening the glass by firmly pressing the Open Sunshade control button, here. You'll notice that the sunshade only opens part of the way, so press the button again to open the sunshade fully. To close it, firmly press the Close Sunshade control button. To open the moonroof, push the Open button, here. The glass panel only opens 80% of the way, so just press the button again to open it completely. To open the moonroof partway, press the button lightly and release it wherever you want it to stop. If you just want to vent the roof, with the sunshade open, find the button marked with the car icon and an open roof, then press it firmly and let go. To close your moonroof completely, firmly press the Close button, here. It'll close all the way unless you press the button again while the roof is moving. If you're closing your roof and it senses something in the way, it will automatically stop. That way, nothing gets stuck.